This dance is called Hoot and Howl. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, absolute beginner level line dance. Starting with the right foot, you're going to stomp the right beside the left. Now when you stomp, go through the heel of the foot, don't go down flat-footed. Stomp the left beside the right. So again, go through the heel of the foot. Kick the right forward twice. So these are just small little kicks, not high kicks. Kick, kick. And then you're going to add on a slow coaster step. So you're going to step the right back, step the left beside the right, step the right forward. Hold for 1 beat or count of music, and at the same time, clap. That set of steps once more then. Stomp off on that right. 7, 8. Stomp, stomp. Kick, kick, coaster, step. Back, close, step. That is your coaster step. Then you're going to do a similar set of steps, but with the left foot leading. So you're going to step the left beside the right, stomp the left beside the right, stomp the right beside the left. Kick the left forward twice, again just those small kicks, kick, kick. And into a slow coaster step, stepping the left back, right beside left, step the left forward. Hold for 1 beat or count of music and clap at the same time. That set of steps once more then, stomping on that left. 7, 8. Stomp, stomp, kick, kick, coaster, step, hold and clap. Just remember your coaster step, back, close, step. Let's add those 2 sections together. Stomps off on the right. 7, 8. Stomp, stomp, kick, kick, coaster, step, hold, stomp, stomp, kick, kick, coaster, step, hold. You're going to make a quarter turn to the right as you step that right forward. Now as you step forward on that right, make sure you turn your whole body. Don't just leave it twisted. Even if it means that back foot, the heel gets lifted off the ground. Touch the left beside the right. So when I'm touching, it's just resting there. There's no weight on it at all. That means I can move off on the left foot, so step the left to the side, then I touch the right beside the left. So again, there's no weight on that right, it is literally just resting there. And we're going to repeat that. So quarter turn to the right, as you step that right forward, turning your whole body, touch the left beside the right, step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. That set of steps once more then, quarter turn, off on that right foot. 7, 8, turn, touch, side, touch, turn, touch, side, touch. Let's add that to the top. Stomps off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, stomp, kick, kick, coaster, step, hold, stomp, stomp, kick, kick, coaster, step, hold, turn, touch, side, touch, turn, touch, side, touch. Add on a V step. So we're actually going to draw the letter V on the floor. Starting with that right foot, you step the right diagonally forward to that right. Step the left diagonally forward to the left. Step the right diagonally back to the left or where it came from. Step the left beside the right. So that is your V step. So you can see you're actually drawing that V on the floor. Now we're going to add on some hip bumps. So these are going to have slightly faster timing than the rest of the steps. So you're going to step your right slightly forward, and as you do so, bump your right hip forward, bump your hips back, bump your hip forward again. Then bump your hips back, forward, back. So they are going to be fairly quickish steps. So these are actually done on what we call the and count. If you think of the and count as being half a beat of music, that's what you're doing these on. So you'll bump forward on count 5, bump back on the and, bump forward on 6. You bump back on 7, forward on the and, back on the 8. So it's forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Let's just try that with that V step. Off on that right. 7, 8. Step out, out, in, close, bump, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. So hopefully you've got those bumps in. But it is the end of the dance when we get to that point, so let's put it all together. Stomps on the right. 7, 8. Stomp, stomp, kick, kick, coaster, step, hold. Stomp, stomp, kick, kick, coaster, step, hold. Turn, touch, side, touch, turn, touch, side, touch. Out, out, in, close, bump, forward, back, forward, back. So that is your dance. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. And I'm also going to speed it up just a little bit when we get back to the front, because the music is a bit faster than what we just walked it through. Stomp off on the right. 7, 8. Stomp, stomp, kick, kick, coaster, step, hold. Stomp, stomp, kick, kick, coaster, step, hold. Turn, touch, side, touch, turn, touch, side, touch. Out, out, in, close, forward, back, forward, back. Stomp, stomp, kick, kick, coaster, step, clap. Stomp, stomp, kick, kick, coaster, step, clap. Turn, touch, side, touch, turn, touch, side, touch. Out, out, in, close, forward, back, forward, back. So hopefully you managed to keep up with that. That is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, stomp, kick, kick, coaster, step, clap. Stomp, stomp, kick, kick, coaster, step, clap. Turn, touch, side, touch, turn, touch, side, touch. Out, out, in, close, forward, back. Stomp, stomp, kick, kick, coaster, step. Stomp, stomp, kick, kick, coaster, step. Turn, touch, side, touch, turn, touch, side, touch. Out, out, in, close, forward, back. Stomp, stomp, kick, kick, coaster, step. Stomp, stomp, kick, kick, coaster, step. Turn, touch, side, touch, turn, touch, side, touch. Out, out, in, close, forward, back. Stomp, stomp, kick, kick, coaster, step. Stomp, stomp, kick, kick, coaster, step. Turn, touch, side, touch, turn, touch, side, touch. Out, out, in, close, forward, back. Stomps. Stomp. Turn. V. Stomp. V. Stomp. Stomp. Turn. V. Stomp. Stomp. Turn. V.
This ain't no time to sleep. Let's count kisses instead of counting sheep. How can I hold you near with you up there and me down here? I'm gonna knock on your door, I'm gonna call out your name, I'm gonna wake up the town to see. I'm gonna hoot and howl like a love cigar until you say you're gonna come out with me.
Hope you managed that one.